Hello children, I welcome you all to class 4th Value Education class. This is Ashalata Jagdish and today you are going to learn the 6th chapter, that is the red medicine. First, I'll read the lesson, okay? Then I'll explain you. One day Pooja's mother had to go out for some important work. She called out, "Pooja, I have an important piece of work. I have to go out for an hour. Please be at home and do your homework." "I am going. I'll come back soon. Bye." So, one day Pooja will be at home and her mother has to go for some work. So, she will call Pooja and she will tell that I am going out for important work. So, you be at home, take care of yourself and do your homework and stay inside. And I'll go and I'll come back very soon. So, till then, take care. Bye, she'll say, and she will move. So, Pooja, bye mom, said Pooja. Pooja quickly finished her homework so as to watch cartoons. Mother had told Pooja not to open the medicine cupboard. Whenever mother would open it, Pooja would see the red colored medicine in a big bottle placed on one of the shelves. So children, whenever your mother goes out for any of the work, what you will do? First, you will finish off your work, then you will sit to watch cartoon, is it? So, Pooja also did the same thing. First, see, she has finished her homework. Then, she wanted to watch cartoon. But, what happens? Her mother has said that not to touch the medicine cupboard. So, there was a cupboard in the house where Pooja's mother has kept all the medicines. So, she said not to touch it. But Pooja, whenever her mother opened the cupboard, she used to see one red colored bottle inside, which was a medicine. Pooja thought that it was a good opportunity to have a look at the red medicine. So, red color attracts, is it? Yes. So, Pooja thought this is good time to see that medicine. She opened the cupboard and took down the bottle. It was a lovely red color and she had wanted to taste it many times. So earlier also she tried, but her mother said not to open it and not to touch it. So she didn't do. Now this is very good opportunity because her mother is not there at home. So she thought that this is only the good opportunity to open and see the taste of that red color medicine. She took it and had 2-3 sips. Wow, it's sweet, she thought, and took another 2 sips. Then she kept the bottle back and sat down to watch cartoons. After a short while, Pooja's mother returned. So what Pooja will do? As soon as her mother went out, she will open the cupboard and she will taste. So she will take 2-3 spoons of that medicine and she will taste. So when she tastes it for first time, it tastes very good. So she will try it again for 2-3 times. Then afterwards she will close it fastly and she will keep it back, and then she will sit for watching cartoon. After some time her mother will also return back from the work. "What have you been doing, Pooja?" she asked. So mother, as soon she enters the house, she will ask, "What you were doing till now when I went out?" "I finished my homework, Mama," she answered. After some time, Pooja started feeling itchy all over the body. So she drank that medicine, syrup. So she was watching cartoon. After some time, she will get irritation, itching. So she will get the irritation all over the body and she will say, "Mama, I feel itchy all over my body," she said. Her mother saw that she had developed rashes all over her body. Her face was swollen and red. Pooja's mother was worried. So, Pooja didn't tell her mother that she drank that red medicine. She just said that I am getting itching. Itching means you'll feel like scratching your body, is it? So, she'll get itching and her all over body she gets rashes and she feels irritated. So she'll tell to her mother that I am feeling itchy, and her mother will see that she has got rashes and her face has become red color. Then Pooja's mother was worried. She called the doctor on hearing what Pooja's mother had to say. The doctor told her to bring Pooja to the hospital at once. She will call to the doctor. That time doctor will say, as early as possible you come back to hospital. So Pooja got scared and told the truth to her mother on the way to the doctor. Before that she didn't tell her mother that she had taken 2-3 spoons of red medicine. Now she is saying while going on the way to the hospital she was worried. Mother was also worried and Pooja got scared. So she said her mother the truth that Pooja has taken some medicine. The doctor gave Pooja an injection. Within some time the swelling on the face reduced and she started feeling better. They went to hospital and doctor gave her one injection. Pooja said her mother, no, that I have taken some medicine. Then doctor will give her injection, because of which she will get cure. Pooja, you must listen to what your elders tell you. Remember, never to take any medicine without the doctor's prescription, said her mother on their way back to home. So Pooja's mother will say after taking injection she will feel better, no? While coming back, Pooja's mother will tell that before taking any medicine you need to take doctor's prescription. Means what? Doctor will tell how many times you have to take, how much medicine you have to take. According to that only you need to take the medicine. Is it? So remember, you should not do any work by yourself, otherwise it will affect like this. So you need to take your elders' advice before you do any of the work. Then Pooja said, I am sorry mummy, I will always obey what you say from now on. So Pooja will say to her mother, I am sorry, today onwards I will listen your words, I will obey whatever you say. Then she will understand why mother has avoided her for not touching that red medicine. So children, when your parents say you should not touch any of the things, then you need to obey them. Is it? You have to be always obedient to your parents, teachers. Is it? When they say any word or when they say anything which is to be avoided, you should not touch. Even medicines, it may be sharp things or anything. Is it? Otherwise, it will be a problem for you itself. So, you should take care of yourself. So, we will meet in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.